Hi, I'm Josh Ledgard, and I'm one of the founders at KickoffLabs. Getting leads and growing your business shouldn't be a struggle, but most of the time it is. You spend years on countless strategies that barely move the needle. Our goal at KickoffLabs is to move you past this struggle, to go beyond traditional lead generation and help you grow your business more quickly with viral marketing contests based on proven best practices. Our customers have collected over 30 million leads with KickoffLabs giveaways, sweepstakes, and product launches where fans earn points and rewards for referring their friends and engaging with your brand online. Here are just a few examples of campaigns you can set up in minutes. With reward level campaigns, someone can unlock a progressive series of rewards as they continue to refer friends and earn points. We can even email them notices as they approach or achieve each milestone. In a bonus entry sweepstakes, participants can increase their odds of winning as they earn more points. Waitlists are great for new product launches where people move up in line and get early access or discounts the more friends they bring on. With leaderboard campaigns, you can reward your top influencers each month and show them how they rank compared to their peers. KickoffLabs lets you mix and match these contest mechanics and others. KickoffLabs has worked for all kinds of businesses, including online retailers that doubled or tripled the size of their existing mailing lists, makers who pre-launched successful Kickstarter campaigns, including the largest 30-day crowdfunding campaign in history, startups that have validated and launched countless new ideas, and companies seeking to build incredible buzz for their next product launch. KickoffLabs is everything you need to run a viral contest for your fans that grows your business. You can get started for free today at KickoffLabs.com.